Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So today, as you can see, we're having green. So the bubbles are pretty much green. We have some red, but I wouldn't emphasize too much on it because we did have 2, 3, 4 days of very green days. Actually, that's the daily, right? Well, if you click on the week, yeah, you can see that we did had very nice gains, 20 and 30%. So yeah, that's amazing. All right, so now if we go, let's see, for example, Bitcoin, we can see that now we are really testing this resistance. Are we going finally to break out? Well, I guess we'll see soon, maybe Monday. Also, let's go and check the dominance. Okay, so dominance, we do have, yeah, actually, it's really looking good. Let me see here. I think I was on a linear, maybe. Oops, here, this one, not even. Okay. I don't know why I think my trend line moved a little bit. No, it's not bad. So we can still see that we are having these spikes. Let me take out the indicators. Some spike, corrective movement or side movement, and after that spike, bull flag, and then we did skyrocket, and now we are doing this corrective movement again. Now the question is, are we ready to go, or we're going to go more on the side and touch this trend again? When the last 2-3 times we didn't manage, or we didn't really wait for this trend or approach or touch this trend. So that's something we need to check. Let me see here. So this is the MA 100. We can see that the MA 100 is acting as resistance, I would say. Here we broke it, but I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we do some side consolidation and after that we go again. The other thing I can mention for that is we need to check for the previous support here now. So this is going to be the previous resistance that now is being a support. You already act as a support for 2, 3, 4 days. And let's see now, maybe we're going to do a retest and after I go. Ideally, honestly, I would rather see the dominance fall down and go and finally retest this uptrend line, because it's going to I would say trigger the altcoins season. So Bitcoin, once again, we're looking for the higher high of this year. Let's jump to Ethereum. Maybe 4 hours. Right, so we can see that we're really fighting to break this previous higher high of this year. We were close, very close a few days ago. Let me take out this trend now. And so we are still going there. So let's see if we can manage actually to break out. So we did spike. As you can see, we did a nice corrective movement. I actually started a long 5x leverage. I did started yesterday night. And I think I was somewhere there, maybe 2070, 2075. My exit point, it's 2060. And why is that? Well, it's because below this 0.786, actually I did take the fib retracement of the last impulsive movement. So if it's a healthy pullback, we shouldn't go lower than this level. Also, this is the previous, we could say, strong level of support. So ideally, you need to leave a little bit of room for the market. So ideally, we could put ourselves some limit here, but then it would be a lot if you do a lot of leverage. So that's something you need to check out. But for sure, the lower you start, the lower the price is, the more, well, the less risk you have, right? So if price is near here at, I don't know, 2065, it wouldn't be that bad to put somewhere your sell stop limit below 2060. Once again, leave a little bit of room and you should be fine, unless it did really, you know, I would say reverse on you. Then but so once again, just want to emphasize, leverage, it's only for, it's actually is not for beginners, so don't even try it. And don't put a lot of money. Me, I put like a few $100, that's it. And very important, sell stop limit. The first thing you do, you put your, when you enter the things, you put the not the market buy, but the limit buy. At the same time, you put your sell stop limit. You should put both at the same time, and then after you open. If you don't put your sell stop limit, you shouldn't place the order at all. Okay, so someone asked me how to make money and manage to not lose money. Well, it's sell stop limit. Okay, management of risk, and keep your capital. All right, so this is for Ethereum. Did I want to say something else? Yes. Okay, so now I'm really working hard, and I'm trying to do a long-term portfolio. So as you can see, I'm putting in all the alts that I think it should be a good investment. For sure, we don't know. Anything can happen. So it's mixed feeling. I have new coins, old coins, and some also are missing. I'm going to fill up again after. And I also did a not yet list. So it's like Solana, for example. Go on the daily. So what I'm trying to do is analyzing where is the stock now, or the crypto, and where is it, and where would be the ideal buy level. So I'm doing that for all the coins that I think they have a great potential, as you can see. So I'm going to show you that when I'm finished. It's going to take a while. But anyway, this one I'm not emphasizing too much, because we're very far from what would be the ideal entry point, right? So I'm going to emphasize more on the coins that I believe they're about to go. And yeah, I just wanted to go check it, because I did see the ape. Nice. All right, so how can we determine if a coin is good to go? Let me see, was it Uni? Okay, let's say, for example, Uni. As you can see now, it's important. You go on the weekly, you scale back, and then you try to find if there is a downtrend. Is it breaking it? So here now, this week, it's trying or attempting to break. And what we want to see, it's the crypto that goes up, break the trend, and ideally go and retest it. Now, worst case scenario, it can go back a little bit. There is no problem. Then we're going to use Fibonacci retracement to help us to see which level this is still manageable. So now, how do we do that? Pretty easy. We take the Fibonacci retracement from the beginning of the latest impulse to the end, and this is the area where we want to scale back in. Also, now if I put that maybe on the daily, we can see that here we had a strong support, so, or actually, yeah, resistance, sorry. So we had the previous resistance. I always put the horizontal ray on the close candle. So this could be a potential support level. Now, because we did the fib retracement, we can see that this potential support is going to be between the 0.382 and the 0.5 fib retracement. Once again, the ideal retracement is going to be the 0.618, but life is not ideal, so we need to take whatever we have. So now on the daily, you can see that the MA50, the blue one, and the red one is the MA200. When these two MAs or moving average, they cross over, and the MA50 cross over the MA200, this is a bullish sign. For sure, this is delayed because this is a moving average, right? It's doing the average. So I already tell you that, you know, when the blue line, which is the MA50, is going to go over the MA200, we call that a golden cross. As you can see, when this is going to happen, all this already happened. It just, I would say, change the mentality or the sentiment on the market on this coin, and you bring, okay, now it's doing a golden cross, or maybe more likely it's a strong sign that the bearish trend is over and then is reversing. So when that happens, yeah, sentiment change and positivity come back to this coin. So we're looking for that. Also, we are looking for the RSI. No, so now we did pump a lot. RSI, it's oversold, and the stochastic RSI, I always have trouble with that name. It's high, so both telling us that soon we should have a corrective movement. Also, if we do a quick, I don't want to emphasize too much, Elliot, my God, I have trouble to talk today. Elliot wave. So we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So I'm expecting now a corrective movement, a B, and a C. And this is the area where I ideally want to wait and invest, because I don't want to buy here because this is too high. Everything is screaming that, you know, it's oversold, overbought. And you don't want to buy something that is already pricey, because after that price is going to make a pullback, and this is where you want to buy. So you don't want to buy when the RSI is at this level, but you want to buy stock when the price action makes sense, respect the Fibonacci retracement, you take the moving average, the previous support resistance, and you want to buy when the RSI is oversold. So this is how we, I would say, shop for the ideal timing to buy or purchase a coin. All right, so I'm going to try to do more maybe technical analysis theory, just that you're going to be more skill, or, you know, have more tools that you can analyze by yourself. And once again, it's not because I show you something that, you know, blindly you need to go and buy stuff. It's very important, especially nowadays. I could be an AI talking, so don't trust anyone. You know, do your own research. If I say something, you really need to study, understand what I'm saying, agreeing on what I'm saying, and that the thing I'm saying, it does make sense, right? And I would say the golden rule in investment is invest only in things that you do understand. So if I tell you that here it's an amazing place or level to buy, but you don't understand it, well, don't buy it. All right. So, and once again, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy on YouTube trying to share my knowledge a little bit, the most I can. And yeah, we are already at 194 community member. It's very nice. Honestly, thank you so much for supporting the channel. It means people they find them useful, and if I can help them to I don't know, make their life easier, financially, so they can have a better vacation or you know, do whatever they want financially. I'm very happy. This is why I did this channel, also because I have so many friends that ask so many questions that, you know, if I do a video, then instead of repeating every time what I'm saying, and I can tell them, go watch the video. All right, so hopefully you are having an amazing Thanksgiving holiday, and yeah, I appreciate the family time. And on that, honestly, nice shopping for Black Friday specials. Once again, TradingView, I'm not sure if it's still on, but if it's still on, I really encourage you to subscribe. If it's already expired, honestly, it's still good. I wouldn't be able to be as, I don't know, my performance in my investment would be that good if I didn't have any paying TradingView plan, because honestly, the free one only has 5 alarms. So unless you have 3-4 accounts, I don't know how you can do it. Or maybe you know, you can find other software that you can put alarms and then spread it everywhere. But honestly, if it's a tool that I wouldn't be able to live without it. All right, so this is my personal, you know, financial. I think I would say this is the only financial advice I would tell you. Like, you know, the only investment you need to do in crypto, honestly, to be tooled properly, it's the TradingView. Of the rest, I think we can manage to find something else. All right, on this, well, once again, I wish you a nice Thanksgiving, and once again, have a nice Black Friday shopping. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.